I'm Scott McKimmey, and I'm from the state of Colorado Department of Revenue. I'm a high productivity leader that intentionally disrupts the status quo, gets extraordinary business results with people who love their job. When I came to the state of Colorado, the intention was build a brand new organization, an innovative organization that could work with vendors and work with our internal technology groups. And we needed a proof of concept. And this project was so timely because it was there the day I walked in. The need was there. The budget was set and it was ready to go, but there was no team. So what does it mean? I had to create the team, and then using that proof of concept, and because it was such a successful project in all respects, it had the ability to say, this is going to work. And it launched us into building an entire organization that has done several of these projects as successful as this one, back to back to back and on top of each other. So the team went from a really small team when we first started to there's about 60 of us now in the organization. So it's what launched our whole division. In coming in the public sector and working in government, it is just much more difficult to get things done. Things take longer and so forth. Those aren't myths. And it's true, there is a lot of bureaucracy and red tape in government for good reasons. I mean, there are laws and rules and statute that you have to pay attention to, but it doesn't mean you have to slow down your project. You have to just quickly learn how you navigate through that, accept it, and move through it. And that's what we did. Instead of fighting it, we said, this is a good thing, and we just moved through it. We actually launched just about this time last year, and we finished implementing in May. So we're right in the middle. COVID hits in March. And then we became like tech first responders. You know, I built out an entire VPN network. I led that, I should say, working with our internal IT team. They're so good at responding to issues like this. They imaged 700 laptops. We got up to, at some point, 92% of the people home, working productively. We're setting up things that are virtual taxation, that are, using chatbots and omni-channel stuff. We intend to meet a digital DMV at some point in time next calendar year. And we expect to close those offices at some point. And you will be able to do all of your transactions, whether it's in taxation or it's whether it's Department of Motor Vehicles, either through a computer or through a kiosk or through a third party. There won't be the brick and mortar offices. And there's a lot of operational savings that we've been able to achieve because of that. And all of that would have never happened if the pandemic didn't hit. But because it did, we got the attention of what we could do in digital transformation, how we could work remotely, how we could serve our customers in a better way, in a safer way. Because we couldn't have people come into the tax office. We couldn't have people come into our DMV offices anymore. So we had to figure out through technology, how do we do this different? And we did. So now other agencies are using kind of the same approaches we used to be successful in this particular project. Government is embracing the remote work. They're embracing the digital transformation. So we're all in.